On the bench, we got my old 46. The idle started getting a little erratic on it, especially when it was tipped to its right side. So I suspected an air leak and did the brake clean test. Didn't get anything from that. So I tore it down and hooked up a pressure and vacuum gauge to it. And it'll hold vacuum, but it doesn't hold pressure. The Steel manual says it should hold half a bar for 20 seconds, and that's acceptable. So you put it into a vacuum, and the gauge will stay there. You can keep it there 2, 5, whatever minutes, and it doesn't drop. But you go to pressure, and it'll start to build pressure, and you let off, and you'll see the needle wants to drop. So what we found is this flywheel side seal is leaking under pressure, but not vacuum. So you can't always rely on the brake clean test to prove that you got an air leak. If you got a suspicion, do a pressure test and a vacuum test.